Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today I will explain you the topic investment fluctuation reserve, that is IFR, related to the chapter in continuity, change in PSR, that is profit sharing ratio among existing partners. First of all, I am clarifying you the meaning of this IFR. What do you mean by IFR? Now, investment fluctuation reserve. Investment, that is the source where we have utilized our funds is known as investment. Suppose we have invested our money in purchasing the securities that is shares or debentures of some business units. Now, there may be a chance of fluctuation in the value of securities, that is shares and the debentures. Their value may decrease. When there is decrease in the value of the investment, that is securities, then it means there is a loss. And for meeting the losses arising due to fluctuation or decrease in the price of securities, a reserve is maintained, means money is collected, and that money is utilized to recover the loss due to fluctuation in the investments, that is securities, shares or debentures. So here IFR is a reserve which is maintained within the business unit to recover the loss due to fluctuation in the price of investments or say securities. Now, this topic is further elaborated with the help of some cases. Now here I am going to discuss with you the very first case when there is no fluctuation in investment. Okay, means when there is no decrease in the value of the securities or the investment wherever we have employed our fund. In such a case, the investment fluctuation reserve appearing on the liability side of the balance sheet, as we know all the reserves appear on the liability side of the balance sheet. So this reserve is also present on the liability side of the balance sheet. Okay. So if there is no fluctuation in the value of investment, then what is done? This reserve, as we know all the reserves which are maintained within the business firms, are maintained out of the profits, and profits are the part of owner's share which is undistributed among the partners, and because of being undistributed it is kept as a reserve in different forms, maybe in the form of workman compensation reserve, maybe in the form of investment fluctuation reserve, and maybe in some other forms like general reserve. Okay, so if there is no fluctuation in investment, then what we do with IFR appearing on the liability side of the balance sheet? We simply distribute or create the amount of IFR among old partners in the old ratio, because it was their share in the past but was undistributed among the partners and reserve was created. So the old partners have a complete right over IFR if it is not utilized due to no fluctuation in the price of investment. Okay, the journal entry which we generally pass for distribution of IFR appearing on the liability side of the balance sheet is IFR account debit, that is investment fluctuation reserve account debit to old partners capital account. So this was the basics of treating investment fluctuation reserve when no fluctuation is there in the investment value. Now on the basis of one question of D.K. Goel, question number 28, I will further explain you the same key points which I explained you here. These key points will be used in order to solve question 28, case first. See question 28 of D.K. Goel. If you are not having book, just take the screenshot. Keep in mind the question number is 28 and this question serial number is according to new edition. Maybe the serial number may be different in the old edition book. Okay, right. Now this is the further portion of the same question. Okay, now you can see that investment fluctuation reserve is appearing on the liability side and its value is 54,000 rupees. Okay, case first is there. Show the accounting treatment under the following alternative cases. There are 5 alternative cases given to you. Now the very first case is to be solved when there is no other information rather than investment fluctuation reserve appearing on the liability side of the balance sheet. In such a case, what we do? We distribute investment fluctuation reserve among all partners in the old ratio. I am turning back the page. Okay. There are 3 partners A, B and C, and the profit sharing ratio among them was 4:3:2. This is the old profit sharing ratio in between A, B and C, and in this ratio only the investment fluctuation reserve, that is 54,000, will be distributed among all partners in the old ratio. See, IFR account debit 54,000 rupees distributed among the old partners A, B and C. In which ratio? In the old ratio 4:3:2. See the distribution. A's share in IFR will be 54,000 multiplied by 4 plus 3 plus 2, 9. This will be the denominator. Out of 9 parts, 4 parts belongs to A of 54,000. Hence the result will be 24,000 and the same will be written in front of A's capital account C, 24,000 rupees. Okay, written in front of A. Now calculating B's share, 54,000 multiplied by 3 upon 9. Okay, we will get the answer 18,000. The same amount will be written in front of B's capital account C, 18,000 rupees. Is it clear? To B's capital account. In the similar way, we need to calculate the share of C. 54,000 multiplied by 2 upon 9, 12,000 rupees. The same amount will be written in front of C's capital. Okay, right. We have transferred the excess IFR to partners capital account in the ratio 4:3:2, and this was the old ratio. Okay. Once again, I am showing you the left hand side portion indicating the basic concepts to be used while solving the question related to IFR. Just get the screenshot of the same. Take the screenshot and just note down in the fair notebook. Now take the screenshot of the right hand side. green board. Copy the solution of this question number 28 case first in your fair notebook, and just note down the key points which I explained you just now in the fair notebook as notes, and the same explanation in the form of YouTube video link will be shared in the WhatsApp class group. Repeatedly watch the YouTube video link and try to deeply understand each and every basic concept of IFR, right? Having any problem, share your problem with me in my WhatsApp number. Just share your problems in my personal WhatsApp number. Your problems will be solved. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.